How to fix WhatsApp notifications are not working on iPhone. So if you want to fix your WhatsApp notifications are not working on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your WhatsApp application. On your WhatsApp, you can go with your settings, and under settings here you will have notifications. Tap on notifications, and under notifications make sure that you've allowed your notifications, because if you've not allowed the notifications then it won't work. So make sure that the notifications are turned on. Go and allow all of the notifications. Go with show notifications for message notifications, group notifications, status notifications, reminders, and everything. And this might fix your problem. If this doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your settings. Under settings, you need to just go with notification section, or just simply go with the apps at first. Under apps, you can search for WhatsApp, tap on it, and here you will have notifications. Tap on notifications and make sure that all of the notifications are turned on, and this might fix your problem. If this doesn't fix your problem, then go back, go with the general settings, tap on general. Under general, scroll all the way down, tap on reset or transfer iPhone, and then tap on reset. And from the reset, you need to just go and reset your location and privacy, and after resetting your location and privacy, your problem might be fixed. So these were the solutions, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.